Welcome to HighDev's presentation of Deliverable 2 for Introduction to Health Informatics. Our agenda includes an overview of the project, scope updates, a look at our Gantt chart, a review of the application architecture, tools and languages, screen prototypes, research, and next steps.
There have not been any changes to the HighDev team makeup and structure. Our team still consists of 5 project members working in the capacity of program manager, developer, and quality assurance. Our project's focus is to create a FHIR application for patient information acquisition. The information may be used in the future for analysis of patient readmissions.
Our initial focus for this project was to analyze patient information to determine ways to reduce readmissions. However, after meeting with our external mentor, we have confirmed that our scope consists of capturing patient data. It does not have to be captured in a FHIR database. For this project, data analysis and machine learning is out of scope. Here is a complete view of our Gantt chart. As of the last update, we have completed an additional 3 activities. Let's take a closer look. We have determined we are creating an Android mobile application, and our project requirements have been approved by our external mentor. We will continue to communicate with our external mentor as well as our project mentor to seek feedback as we progress throughout the project.
The architecture for the FHIR patient data acquisition app was designed using common and recommended architectural principles for Android, such as separation of concerns. The user interface dictates what the user sees and handles the user interaction to the screen. The UI will display data and forward on the UI events to the model. The patient data acquisition model holds all the data needed for the UI and acts as a communication between the repository and the UI. The patient data acquisition repository will function as the API for the UI to communicate. This repository will also manage the data sources. The FHIR patient database manages local data on top of an SQLite data source. The patient entity is an annotated class that describes a database table. The patient data access object is a mapping of the SQL queries to functions.
For our project, we will utilize the Android Studio integrated development environment for our Android app development. Java will be our backend programming language, and we are anticipating utilizing SQLite as our data source. We've utilized Lucidchart to develop our charts. Here are a few rough mock-ups of our screen prototypes. We will have a welcome screen that allows the user to sign in or sign up. If the user wishes to sign up, they will have to sign up through their hospital. Otherwise, the user can sign in using their email address and password combination. When the user is validated, they will go to the patient home landing. While on this screen, they will have the option to view and or update their profile, view or add vitals, review discharge history, and view and or add medications. We have displayed a mock-up of the patient profile and patient vitals screens. The patient vitals screen will give you the ability to add new vital records as well as view historical records. We have begun researching other applications that have similarities to our app. Each application we've researched has a goal of reducing hospital readmissions. Corey is one of the first health apps in the iOS store. This patient self-management tool is provided early in admission to help patients improve their recovery and skills from the beginning of their hospitalization due to heart attack. Our goal for the next deliverable is to finalize the data we will capture, create the FHIR database, and finalize our UI mockup.